YouTube family members and friends. Today we're going to make it, putting on my watch, we're going to make it a gig economy day. I'm off my regular job, so I decided to go ahead and do some Spark and maybe a little bit of Instacart. I'm on my way right now to pick up a Poplin order. So I want you guys to buckle up and come along with me. Take notice that the pickup and drop off address are totally different. Take notice that the pickup and drop off address are totally different. Hey guys, I finally made it back home with the laundry. When I got there, first of all, she said she wanted, when I picked up the order, she said she only had one bag. And then when I got there was two bags. But I was nice enough to take the large bag. And this happens a lot with Poplin too. Sometimes I don't know why they do that. They be sneaky, that because it's going to end up being the same price, because we got to weigh if it's one bag or two bags. But you have to be honest. The customer has to be honest, because sometimes when people take an order, they do it around sometimes other things they have going on. And if you have one bag, okay, I can pick up one bag because I can do so and so and so, whatever you have to do. But if you have two bags, they may not can take that bag because they know they already have other prior engagements. But when I got there, like I said, she waited until I got there, and then she said, "Oh, I forgot there's two bags." So I only took one bag. And like I said, I was nice enough to take the big bag. But then when I got there, if you look back in another video I talk about the big black bags that I hate to do. I hate to pick up. And this is what she did. But I was, like I said, I was nice enough to take that big black bag that was really, really heavy. I had to drag instead of taking the other bag. But I'm going to show you guys what she left out there. Another black bag that I do not like to pick up. It's showing real good in the camera, but do you see how big that bag is? I had to drag that bag to my car, and I left the other bag. And I wish Poplin would tell these customers, just like they tell us, do not put over 15 pounds of clothes in a bag. And you guys can see how big this bag is. This is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And not only that, then in I wanted you guys to face me when I said, and like I said, like when you got there was 2 bags. And also when I got there, with Poplin, you pick up and you drop off at the same address. When I got there, and you don't know this until after you pick up an order. Of course, you can cancel it, but I didn't, because I need the extra money. So when I got there at the pickup, then there's a note saying drop off at another address. And if I can find it, I will put it up, somewhere up in here somewhere so you guys can see it. But these customers can be so sneaky, and they need to be more strict on these customers, because sometimes they get away with so much stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna get started on this laundry, and I will see you guys in the next video.